They are doing protests now in Nigeria. Watch, many people who will not go for these protests are all those who like going for crusade. Watch. They will not go now and do protests for the good of the country. But once there is a post around for 3 days power-packed crusade, destiny-changing crusade, you will see them there. You are not aware. You are not balanced. They are talking about now changing the country. It doesn't enter. Let one advertisement of God and come and put a poster for crusade. Go and see the number of people who will go there. If you are here and all you do, you go for crusade, but you cannot go and participate in peaceful protest to make your country right, you are heavenly conscious and earthly useless. You should actually tell God to take you away from this world. And these people are people who are praying for long life. Why are you praying for long life when you're already living like people in heaven? Tell God to take you now. Since you don't know how to live here. Let me tell somebody, be balanced, be balanced, be balanced. There is nothing wrong in being spiritual. But like we say, being spiritual does not make you to become politically stupid or ignorant. Socially stupid or ignorant. You know, be balanced in life. Life is bigger than the circle of this church. I have no problem. And sometimes it's even your wrong understanding of what spirituality is. That was the Jesus' criticism to the Pharisees in Matthew 23. He said, you pay your tithe of mint and rue and dew, but you trample on the poor and all of that. He said, you could have done this without neglecting the order. That's why he said, give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar and to God what belongs to God. You can't be a good Christian if all you do is pay tithe and you don't pay tax. I've always said, you pay your tax and you hold your government to account for it. That's what this protest is all about. What are the demands of the protest? Very simple. Reform the police. Is it a bad thing? Is it a political party statement? Reform the police. Pay our policemen and women better. Give them incentives. Let their children have free education if the country cannot provide free education for every other person. Because the job they are doing is risky. Is it a wrong request? It's not a wrong request. Make our, what do you call them? Members of the House, senators, members of the National Assembly, what do you call them? House of Rep, Abi. Let their salaries be the same with doctors, lecturers, teachers. Is it a bad request? Anybody who doesn't want to be and feel that the salary is small, the person should do what? Leave the chamber. Is that a bad request? It's not a bad. That's what we are asking for through this protest. And if they do these things, Nigeria will begin to become better. It's not by presidential decree that you are changing the name of SARS to SWAT. No, that's not what we're asking for. We want a legislation. Decentralize the police. That's what this protest is all about. It's a fair asking. Be balanced. It takes prayer and protest. Prayer and what? Protest. Prayer and peaceful protest to change a country. It's not even an election. This protest is not about the president must go. No, the president must not go. He must stay and do this thing that the people who have elected him. We are the employers. The people are the employers. He must stay and do these things. These reasonable requests. Can I hear amen? So be balanced. It's about balance. Jesus said, give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. You are in the world. Though you are not of this world, but you are in the world. 1 Peter chapter 2, verse 17. Honor the emperor and worship God. Be a good citizen. That's all he's saying. Be a good citizen. Do everything a citizen should do. Be in politics. Partake in it. It's not only prayer, and say and binding that will change this country. This is part of it. Live a balanced life. To watch full videos and get notifications for new ones, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.
Sign up with the largest community of Catholics online. Meet new friends, chat, post pictures and videos, make and receive audios and video calls, interact with lots of priests and religions. Download the app from Google Play Store.